Found the man accused of murdering APD officer Daniel Webster guilty of federal gun charges. Devon Lyman, a convicted felon, was accused of possessing the gun, the same gun the prosecutors say was used to kill Officer Webster last October during a traffic stop at Central and Eubank. The trial in federal court earlier this week focused on Officer Webster's lapel camera and testimony from the teenager who was on the motorcycle that Officer Webster pulled over. Well, Lyman has not yet been charged with Officer Webster's murder. This trial was a preview of some of the evidence against him. U.S. Attorney Damian Martinez says they can now start to focus on the state murder case.
Those who harm are courageous men and women who place their lives on the line for us and our community every day are the definition of the worst, and the U.S. Attorney's Office will prosecute them to the fullest extent of the law.
Now, Lyman faces up to 10 years for this gun conviction, but he's also facing another 50 years for another conviction of drug